And also sir talked about operators.
And he is Akash, the most talented guy in this workshop.
Yes, it is valuable now, but I don't know much more about Flutter. So once I know, then I figure out it is valuable or not.
After that we learned about constructors, then inheritance.
After the restarting process, it will be apply that plugin into your Android Studio ID.
हमारे जो टेक स्टैक्स है उनकी बात हो तो वहाँ पे जाना ही चाहिए ऑब्वियसली। हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। और आज हम जा रहे हैं, हमारा फ्लटर का बेसिकली वर्कशॉप स्टार्ट होने वाला है और ये 8-10 दिन चलेगा कंटिन्यूअस। और हम लोग जा रहे हैं फॉर दैट, और अभी से जैसे स्टार्ट होने वाला है। आई एम गोइंग टू शो ऑल दिस जर्नी ऑफ लर्निंग दिस फ्लटर।
So see you later in the class.
या गाइस, लेट्स गो। So today we heard about Dart programming, and we started with printing this string value, and then after that we learned about data types, variables and main functions, and did these things. And also sir talked about operators, different types of operator, and we performed these things today.
So guys, अभी हमारा डे 1 ख़त्म हो गया। आपसे हम मिलते हैं डे 2 के दिन। It's day 2 of Flutter workshop and we are going for that.
So today we get to know about taking input from user in Dart. So we were doing this today, and also sir gave us a assignment, which is write a program to get input any number from user and perform different arithmetic operations.
Guys, डे 2 भी ख़त्म हो गया। आपसे मिलते हैं डे 3 के दिन। So guys, it's day 3 and we are here. Are you understanding class?
Yeah, of course.
And we are reading about loops and all. And he is Akash, the most talented guy in this workshop.
Today sir talked about conditional statements and loops. In conditional statement we did these much programs and some assignments, and also in loops we did something. You can see it was a program of printing a table of any number, and also sir gave us assignments that we have to do by ourselves, so we completed this also.
And we will meet again in day 4. It's day 4 और आज सैटरडे है, फिर भी हमें सर ने बुलाया है and we have to go for workshop, and Haren and Nitish also is there. So Nitish, tell about something Flutter workshop. Are you getting, or is it valuable to your time?
Yes, it is valuable now, but I don't know much more about Flutter. So once I know, then I figure out it is valuable or not.
Okay, so
Currently, I am feeling good with Flutter, and I feel it's helpful for us and in future.
okay, it's day 4 today, so
Yeah. Now it's getting more interesting because I don't know about Flutter before.
okay.
Yes.
So, whatever sir was teaching in day 1, day 2,
Yes.
day 3, are you getting everything?
Yeah, I'm getting now.
Sir is on track, or is it too fast, or is it too slow?
No, sir was on track and it is okay
Hmm.
for as a beginner. I'm
Okay,
fine with
okay,
this.
okay. This, thank you for sharing. So yeah, guys, we are going for day 4 of Flutter workshop. See you in the workshop.
We learned about firstly functions. Basically, sir today taught us about OOPS concept. So firstly started with functions, and then we learned about classes. After that, we learned about constructors, then inheritance, and then interfaces. I didn't write anything in interfaces because I was late in that. And after that we learned about list, then set. So in OOPS we learned these much concepts.
Software installation of these plugins, you just close your Android Studio and start again. Means you should restart your Android Studio, because after the restarting process, it will be apply that plugin into your Android Studio ID. So you should restart it. Look at here, it's visible a new button, new Flutter project. So now you are eligible for creating the Flutter project, Flutter application from Android Studio. But one more thing, we must be download some more softwares. So firstly you have to do this task, and after that we are going to learn how to configure Flutter. Okay, ये हो गया सबका? अब करो इसे पहले. Choose your development platform to get started. So now you have to select Windows for Windows, Mac for Mac. This is the Flutter SDK. Okay, I repeat, look at here. You just search Flutter SDK and then click on first link like docs.flutter.dev. Click on it, and there are some platforms. Choose your development platform to get started. On which platform you have to develop your Flutter application. So we are going to develop Flutter on Windows. So you have to click on Windows button. Firstly, you have to download the SDK, and after that you have to create any Flutter application. So just wait for download. And now look at here. We are going to just explain how to create new Flutter application. So you just click on it, click new Flutter project, and then select. There are so many tools. You just select Flutter, and then you must be configure the Flutter SDK inside this directory. Look at here, click on it, and we are going to download section, because in download section Flutter SDK are already downloaded here. Listen, you just uncheck on Mac, Web and Windows. When created, the new project will run on the selected platform. Other can be added later. Now you just click on create button, and after click on create button, your new project are going to created. Just wait.
So today we created our first Flutter project in this workshop, in which we learned about column and rows, also some properties like main axis alignment, cross axis alignment, and we just built this. We put colored boxes in vertical, in column. Whenever we have to put things in vertical order, we need to use column for that.
A declaration, so you just provide the late keyword. And next we have to create some one of variable that is called text. and we are provide some value here. This is text area, and next we have to create some function.
Today we created this text field, two text field. This was code that we wrote there, and here what will happen, suppose if I will enter my name here and my number, it will update the value here. Let me show you. And let's say here enter some numeric value. If I'll click on submit, it updated this value here. So today we created this simple application with text field and a submit button that is updating value here. Guys, it's day. पता नहीं कौन सा day मैं भूल गया.
And then you can also provide the size box inside your button. We have also provided the size box here.
Today we learned about navigation. What this mean? Suppose you want to go from this page to another page. That is called navigation. What we did? So this is our first page. Let's suppose this is home page. So after when we'll press this button, it will navigate to different page. Let me show you. So I clicked that and it navigated me to second page. Also we can go to third page by clicking here. So this is the work of navigation, means we can go in different pages with the help of navigation, and we just have to write one or two lines to navigate in different pages. Let me show you firstly. So here is elevated button on which there is a property called on press, and where we have given this navigator dot push. There is material page route which will help us to navigate in different page, and also we'll have to provide the name of second page or second class. So today's class was all about navigation.
One eternity later.
So now we have completed the code server. लॉजिक फ्रॉम सेंटर. तो ओवरऑल इस प्रोजेक्ट में हमने एक ऐप बार डिजाइन किया है, एंड आफ्टर द ऐप बार वी हैव टू प्लेसमेंट. इट्स आल्सो हेल्प्स इन योर करियर, एंड यू कैन आल्सो वर्क एज अ फ्रीलांसर. शायद आपको पता ना हो, बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म है. देयर आर lots of platform and they are providing the jobs as a freelancer. There are lots.
Today was the last day of our Flutter workshop, and we learned about Firebase. Basically, we have created a project where we simply have 3 text field where we have to enter name, phone number, and email. And when I will click on submit button, it will store all this data to cloud. Firebase, you might be knowing, it's a cloud platform which provides all backend functionality that we need to create our application, like authentication, storage, real-time databases, etc. So today we created this simple form that is taking input and storing data to Firebase.
A few moments later.
So that's it guys, ये था आज लास्ट क्लास ऑफ आवर फ्लटर वर्कशॉप, एंड 10-12 दिन तक ये फ्लटर वर्कशॉप चला. इनिशियली 4-5 दिन हमने डाट प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में पढ़ा, देन वी स्टडीड फ्लटर. सर ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें करवाई. एंड आप लोग अगर मेरा चैनल देख रहे होंगे तो आपको पता ही होगा, जब भी मैं कोई प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह बनाता हूँ तो मैं फ्रंट एंड के लिए फ्लटर यूज़ करता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं फ्लटर 2-3 साल से पढ़ा था और मुझे फ्लटर आती है. फिर आप सोच रहे होंगे कि इस फ्लटर वर्कशॉप को क्यों मैंने ज्वाइन किया. सो सी आई थॉट कि चलते हैं, कुछ तो नया सीखने को मिलेगा ही. और जहाँ पे तुम्हारी टेक्नोलॉजी की बात हो, तुम्हारे पर्सनल फेवरेट, तुम्हारे जो टेक स्टैक्स है उनकी बात हो, तो वहाँ पे जाना ही चाहिए ऑब्वियसली. एंड ऑल्सो ये फ्लटर जब हम प्रोजेक्ट बनाकर सबमिट कर देंगे तो हमें एक सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा फ्लटर का. सो वो भी काफ़ी सही. आई वॉज थिंकिंग ऑफ डैट ऑल्सो. एंड
टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस फ्लटर वर्कशॉप, तो काफ़ी सही था ये। और टीचर्स वगैरह जो मेंटर्स थे, बेसिकली हमारे कॉलेज ने एक इंस्टीट्यूट से टाइप किया था, वहीं के मेंटर आकर पढ़ा रहे थे। टीचर काफ़ी सही थे, अच्छे सब चीज़ें उन्होंने पढ़ाया। 10 से 12 दिन चला। उन्होंने इतने कम टाइम में ही हमें फ्लटर में यूआईज बनाना सिखाया थोड़ा बहुत, और फायरबेस भी सिखाया। एंड दिस गाइज ऑल्सो वेंट देयर। सो हाय आकाश।
Hello.
Hello. So talking about this course, so what you like most in this course, in this workshop?
It was very interesting. Everything and the tools all complete. Nothing more, nothing less.
Okay. Sir was good.
He was very good at teaching,
Okay.
but very fast as usual.
Because he has allotted very less time, so he was
Yeah.
doing like that. And what about Flutter? Did you enjoy
What do you
it?
think about Flutter?
Yeah,
Did you enjoy it?
yeah. Enjoy Flutter. I think it will become one of the three most language I love.
Okay. So are you going to continue this mobile app development, or are you just quitting here?
Of course, I will continue it.
Okay. Okay.
I will try to create my own application
Mobile app that
and I will share it to you guys.
Okay. And you, Akash, आपने क्या क्या सीखा इस वर्कशॉप में?
In this workshop we gain a lot of things we using Flutter and develop a app and web application in this course. And we are just not a course for our subject. We want to develop
Some extra skills.
skills
Because these
and
things is not included
Yes.
in our core subjects.
yeah
Okay.
and other things is
Okay,
good.
it's good. And how was sir? Sir was good. or-
Sir was good. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, guys, this was all about our Flutter workshop. This was wonderful workshop. We enjoyed a lot. We learned a lot of things for the first time, and we'll keep learning because our life will end, but learning never. Yes. एंड जो भी हमारा सोर्स कोड वगैरह है, वट एवर मैंने जो भी लिखा हुआ है इस वर्कशॉप के दौरान, जो भी सर ने कराया था प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह, जो भी यूआईज में हमें यूआईज वगैरह हमने बनाया है, जो भी हमने डाट का कोड लिखा हुआ था, ये सारी कोड मैं एक गिटहब रेपो में पोस्ट कर दूंगा। आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। अगर आपको देखना हो तो आप वहाँ पे जाके देख सकते हैं व्हाट सर टॉट अस। So that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to press that like button, and for more this type of content make sure to subscribe. Until next time, keep building and keep exploring.